To start your registration, go to www.youriwi.com and then click on the first result that pops up in the search results, and then at the top of the page click register today. Find Ngāti Kia, Ngāti Tuara in the list and click register. Here we begin the onboarding process. You need to enter your personal details such as first name, last name and email address. And then you also need to choose a password. Now the password needs to be at least 8 characters long. There's a small box at the bottom that says I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. That needs to be selected before you can move on. Of course, the terms and conditions and the privacy policy are available there to read. You then click the Register Myself button at the bottom of the page. Here you need to enter your profile information such as your title, gender, date of birth. As you can see, there are some fields with a little red asterisk. This means that these fields are mandatory. If you scroll down the page a little more, there's some contact information that is required, and that is the street address, city, region, postcode and country. Of course, you can enter as much information as you like on this page, and then once you've completed that, hit the save button at the bottom of the page, and then back at the top of the page on the right hand side you want to click the next step button. Here you'll input your whakapapa. The system requires at least 2 generations to be added, but we encourage you to provide as much information as possible. The more detailed your whakapapa, the easier it is for the whakapapa committee to process and approve your application. There are 3 tabs to choose from: Mother's Line, Father's Line and Other whānau. So if you whakapapa to Ngāti Kia, Ngāti Tuara on your father's side, then select Father's Line and proceed to enter your whakapapa information. If you whakapapa to Ngāti Kia, Ngāti Tuara on your mother's side, select Mother's Line and proceed to enter your whakapapa information there, for example. At this step, you can also click the Other whānau tab and enter your tamariki if you wish to. Once you've entered all the whakapapa information you wish to, please click Next Step. You'll need to upload a picture of a valid form of identification such as a passport or driver's license. Use the upload function to submit a clear, legible photo of your ID. This is a crucial step to ensure the authenticity of our members. You can then click Next Step. All you have to do here is click Finish and return to dashboard. As you can see at the bottom of the blue rectangle, there's a pānui that says registration is pending. Once your application is submitted, it'll be reviewed by the whakapapa committee at their next meeting. Approval times do vary, so we appreciate your patience during this period. You will be notified via email whether your application has been approved, declined, or if further information is required. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.